Hello everyone, Darius from Defu here. Today we're going to discuss one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your business, password security. You've probably heard about password best practices before, but in this video I want to go beyond the basics and really explain why they matter. First things first, passwords matter. Weak passwords are one of the most common ways hackers gain access to your accounts. In fact, research shows that over 80% of data breaches result from compromised passwords. So what makes a strong password? The current best practice, according to the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre, is to use 3 random words. By using a password that's made up of 3 random words, you're creating a password that will be strong enough to keep the criminals out, but easy enough for you to remember. For more information on the 3 random word rule, click the link in the description or visit ncsc.gov.uk. Avoid using personal information like your name, birthday or pet's name in passwords. While these might make passwords easier to remember, they also make them easier for hackers to guess, especially with the amount of personal information available on social media. Another critical practice is multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also something like a code sent to your phone or generated by an authentication app. Even if a hacker somehow obtains your password, they'll need the second factor to get in, making unauthorized access significantly more difficult, but not impossible. You might wonder how to manage all these strong, unique passwords for various accounts. That's where password managers come into play. A password manager securely stores all your passwords in an encrypted database, so you only need to remember one master password. This allows you to create strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts without the hassle of memorizing them. Lastly, don't enforce regular password expiry. Now you probably think I'm mad for saying that, but regular password changing harms rather than improves security. Many systems will force users to change their passwords at irregular intervals, typically every 30, 60 or 90 days. This imposes burdens on the user and there are costs associated with recovering accounts. Forcing password expiry carries no real benefits because the user is likely to choose new passwords that are only minor variations of the old. Stolen passwords are generally exploited immediately. Resetting passwords gives you no information about whether a compromise has occurred. An attacker with access to the account will probably also receive the request to reset the password. Instead of forcing expiry, you should counter the illicit use of compromised passwords by ensuring an effective movers-leavers process is in place, automatically locking out inactive accounts, monitoring logins for suspicious behavior, such as unusual login times or logins using new devices, and encouraging users to report when something is suspicious. Following these tips will make it much more harder for cyber criminals to compromise your accounts. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos through the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Tomorrow we'll talk about the importance of software updates, another simple but crucial step to safeguarding your business. Stay secure.